understanding the future of AEC, we should also understand what is the past in the AEC and what are the eras in the AEC industry. The very first era which was there in the AEC industry was an era of documentation. Okay. After the era of documentation, there comes an era of optimization where we used to optimize things. After that, we came into an era of connection. The currently in the era which we are living right now is an era of connection. So how this journey started? We started with hand drawings where basically we were working with pencil and paper, and then we started using different pencils, uh, different sheet papers, different styles. We started using blueprint, we started using ammonia print. We also use different tools such as roller scale or drafters and so on, right? Then there was an advancement or the innovation in the technology, and we have seen the rise of computers and laptops in place. As the rise of computers and laptops grow up in the market, the rise of technology has also been revolutionized. Like we started with 2G, 3G, 4G, and now as you all can see, we have also reached to the era where we are also implementing 5G, right? So with the 5G in place, we started with working with a lot of communication options. So because of this era, we moved on to CAD, then we moved on to parametrism, then we moved on to building information modeling, then we moved on to algorithmic modeling, right? Algorithmic modeling is basically we work, we let the computers work to, we let the computers to do the work for us. That's where we define an algorithm. Imagine uh, giving an example of algorithm is a YouTube channel. I hope a lot of you are on YouTube and they have used like it has some artificially intelligent backend system attached to it. That backend artificially intelligent backend runs based on an algorithms. So these algorithms needed to be changed according to the user. So if the user are getting more enhanced and more active or more engaging in the technology stuff, these algorithms needs to be changed so as these algorithms work with the modeling also. So with proper algorithmic modeling, you can do or automate a lot of stuffs, or you can automate a lot of information inside the model. Then we come to an era of optimization. In the era of optimization, we have interoperability. Interoperability means basically communicating with other software tools. So if I want to communicate with people from different countries like China or Abu Dhabi or any of the other countries, right? So let's say if I want to communicate with the people from the Gulf country, I should know the language of Arabic, right? If I want to communicate with the people from China, I should know the Chinese. So that's what a computer or a software also have in place. So they have a software language where they can communicate with each other in a certain manner. So that is what we called an interoperability feature. Now, with a single software, you can communicate to n number of software tools just because of the API, that is application programming interface. So because of that, with a single software, you can insert that model into some other softwares. You can insert the information of this software to another software or that software to this software. So a lot of possibilities are there with interoperability features. Then we came into an era where we have introduced to photogrammetry, artificially intelligent BIM, generative design, robotic construction, Internet of Things. So currently this is an endless era, but as we see the inclusion of the 5G in place, we would be seeing a rapid increase in the development of building information modeling, and people will be jumping onto this path. The reason because of jumping into the BIM is basically it saves a lot of your time and effort which were not possible through hand drawings, absolutely. But also you will have to incur a cost for the hardware or software. But as the technology is rising, as the competition is increasing, the software and hardware costs are getting reduced. So that's what the future of AEC holds for us.